I did filing. I went for it for my mom. Now, because of COVID, the last 3 years, I was below the income required. But this year, I will be above.
Okay.
So I got an employment letter from my
When you
client.
say this year 2024, or your tax returns from 2023?
My tax return for 2023 was a few hundred below the
All right, so you're gonna most likely need a second affidavit of support, even though you're now earning above, because you had 3 years below and you just have a short period of time of now being above without even having filed that tax return yet. So you have someone to give a second affidavit of support?
Sorry, I filed 2023 already.
But you said 2023 you were a couple $100 below the poverty level.
Yes.
Right. So that's what I'm saying. You're probably going to need a second affidavit of support. Do you have somebody to do that? Even though now you're earning above, because you have 3 years below.
Yes.
They're going to look at the tax returns.
Yes. Can I use assets?
You can use assets, but they should be significant assets, not like I have $10,000 in the bank. Like significant, like I got 150,000 in the bank, or I can demonstrate I have equity in a house that's 150.
It would have been cash. It's not that much.
The easiest is if you can get an affidavit of support, then there's no question. You can take 20% of your assets and add it, but it's still a discretionary decision by immigration. And I wouldn't want to see your mother denied on a discretionary decision. So yes, you can, but if I am your attorney, and I am for the next 30 seconds, because we're talking, I'm giving you my legal advice. My advice would be get a second affidavit of support.
And if I'm unable to, what's my next option?
And you got to use your assets. I mean, you got to do what you got to do to get your mom here. But in the best of all worlds, you get a second affidavit of support.
Okay, so I should definitely use assets then, not just the employment letter and to show that I'm above, not just that.
Correct.
Okay, I will do that then.
Good luck.
All right, thank you so much.